In this video we are going to show you how you replace the firebricks in your Clock Blithfield 5 Mark II multi-fuel stove. First, remove the ashpan from the tray beneath. Next, take out the log retaining bar. Place your hand through the ashpan slots, lift up the grate and turn sideways to pull out at an angle through the door. Next, place your hand under the firebrick on the left hand side and support the baffle before removing. Lifting the baffle up slightly, put your fingers under the right hand side firebrick and remove. Next, drop the baffle plate down at the front and slide it out at an angle through the door opening. The rear firebricks now will be loose and can be pulled out independently. There is a tab on the right hand side, so best to remove that one first and then the left hand side. To put the firebricks back, simply repeat the process in reverse. Once installed, you'll notice the holes towards the top of the bricks that allow the tertiary air in are centered. This means that the left hand brick has a larger space on the left hand side and the right hand brick has a larger space on the right hand side. Take care when reinstalling the baffle plate not to damage the vermiculite bricks, and make sure that you support it whilst you place the side firebricks in. The side firebricks hold the baffle plate up and keep it in position. Take care when installing the grate with your fingers. You will also note there are two tabs that should be located towards the front. When sliding the grate in at an angle, place one hand underneath through the ashpan to support the grate and lower it down. There are two holes in the grate that locate for the log retaining bar to slot in, and the ashpan slides in like so before shutting the door, and you have completed replacing your firebricks.